Hello guys, it's me Ali Raquel and I'm glad I'm back. Today's video I'm going to make a huge pancake. It's a good snack for the kids. It's a healthy snack. So let's start to cook now.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life.
Let's go to the ingredients. 1/2 cup of butter, and cup of milk, tablespoon of baking powder, vanilla powder 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We need 1 egg, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So let's start now. Okay guys, this is easy for me. Already here the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and let's put the sugar 2 tablespoons, vanilla powder. This is the baking powder, and 1 cup of milk. Okay, melted butter. Okay, and 1 egg. Let's crack the egg. We're going to beat it. Okay. Guys, this is very easy and it's not any good for the kids. Want to show you? I think this is done. Okay, this is it. Okay guys, now it's ready and we have to prepare the huge pan also. This is the huge pan. Okay, put it here. And let's start to cook. You have to open the fire. Let's see my okay. Let's open the fire. Fire. Let's put little butter only because the ingredients already have butter, so just not to stick. Guys, I think the pan is ready. Okay, let's put now. I'm going to show you guys. It's coming whole. I'm gonna show you later how huge it is. And so yummy as well. Wow, this is almost done. It's ready to flip. Oh, it's burning. It smells so good. Sorry guys, I make mess. Almost ready, my huge pancake. Charan! Guys, it's ready, my huge pancake, and it's time to transfer to the plate. Bismillah. You can see it, oh, mashallah. Then wow, you can see this. Guys, before we finish this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ali Raquel's Vlog. And don't forget to like and share. Let's cut. and it's ready. Guys, this is my huge pancake. You also try if you want. Let's try. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Till next video. Bye-bye.
It's my life.